Hi, this is Catherine from Norse Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to customize your IKEA Malm Dresser with designer fronts from Norse. This is how the dresser looks like before, and this is how it looks like after our customization. We make fronts for the Malm Dresser and nightstands, and you can choose from multiple designs and colors on our website. You'll only need a regular screwdriver and a few minutes to make this upgrade. Start by loosening the 4 screws on the side of the drawer. You can either do it while having the drawer still in the dresser, or take it out and place it on the floor. Remove the IKEA front by just lifting it up from the drawer frame. Remove the 4 screws and wood dowels, which you will repurpose for the fronts from Norse. Open the package from Norse and make sure you place it on something soft to avoid damaging the surface on the front. Make holes where you would want to add your knob or pull. To avoid chipping the paint, we recommend drilling from the outside in, with a firm material on the inside to drill into. Then, add the 4 dowels and the screws. To get a soft closing, add the plastic dots on the side. Now you're ready to attach the front to the drawer frame again. Tighten the 4 screws on the side and insert the drawer into the dresser. We found that tilting it downward was the easiest way to place it in. And to finalize the look, add a knob or a pull. Voila! Your customized IKEA Malm Dresser is finished.